In a city of 30 million people, there are roughly 100,000 crore rupee millionaires. That sounds like a lot until you do the math. 1 in every 300 people is a millionaire. But here's the thing, what's weird? Everyone is searching for how to become rich. Podcasts, books, YouTube videos, courses. Billions of rupees spent on education. But the people who are actually becoming millionaires? They're not the ones buying courses. They're not the ones talking about it. So I started asking, who are these people, and what are they actually doing? Here's what I found. I spent 3 months talking to people who'd built 1 Indian rupee crore or more in wealth. A software engineer, a pharmacist, a bank clerk, a schoolteacher. None of them were special. None of them took risks everyone wasn't taking. When I asked them why they were rich and their peers weren't, they all said something similar. The software engineer told me, I just didn't spend the money. Everyone else bought cars and apartments. I didn't. The schoolteacher said, my salary was never high. But I put aside money every single month. For 20 years. Nobody saw it happening because it was boring. When I looked at their actual numbers, a pattern emerged. It wasn't magical. It wasn't complicated. But it was invisible because nobody was looking. That's what this is about. Not how to get rich quick. But how ordinary people got rich slow and why everyone missed it. The first thing every millionaire had in common, they made a choice around age 25 to 30. Not consciously, just a choice. They looked at their salary and asked themselves one question. How much of this can I not spend? Let me show you what I mean. Life A, you earn 50,000 Indian rupees a month, you spend 48,000 Indian rupees, you save 2,000 Indian rupees. Life B, you earn the same 50,000 Indian rupees, but you spend 35,000 Indian rupees, and you save 15,000 Indian rupees. That difference is 13,000 Indian rupees per month. Indian rupee 156,000 per year. Over 20 years at 12% returns, that's 1 Indian rupee. 3 crore in difference between 2 people doing the same job. But here's the thing, what kills people, life B looks impossible. If you're earning 50,000 Indian rupees, saving 35,000 Indian rupees feels like deprivation. You're not going to restaurants. You're not taking holidays. Your car is 10 years old. Your apartment is small. You look poor. And you are poor. For 10 years. While everyone else is rich. But at year 15, something flips. Your 15,000 Indian rupees per month SIPs have turned into 50 Indian rupees lakhs or more. Your compounding is now doing the work. By year 20, you're a millionaire and everyone else is still trading time for money. The second pattern, what I found, timing. All the millionaires I talked to started early. Not because they were smarter. Because they started at 25 and had 35 years of compounding. Someone who starts at 35 and tries the same thing? They run out of runway. Start at 25, 35 years. 1 Indian rupee crore by age 60. Start at 35, 25 years. 50 Indian rupees lakhs by age 60. Start at 45, 15 years. 20 Indian rupees lakhs by age 60. Now, here's the trap, nobody talks about this because it sounds like permission to not start. Oh, I'm already 40, so I can't, people say. False. Start now. You're building something. But you're also not starting if you wait 5 more years. I met a bank clerk who was 55 years old. He told me, if I'd started 10 years earlier, I'd be worth 2 Indian rupees crore. I'm worth 80 Indian rupees lakhs because I waited. I still waited too long. That hit me. Because here's the thing nobody wants to say, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The worst time is never. But there's a cost to waiting. The third pattern was surprising, diversification is boring, and boring is wealth. I looked at the portfolios of the people I'd interviewed. I expected to see wild stock picks, real estate flips, crypto fortunes. Something exciting. Something that would make a good podcast. Instead, what I found, 60% index funds, 25% bonds and ETF, 10% direct stocks, 5% real estate. Nothing sexy. Just index funds. 4 decades. That's it. One software engineer told me, I bought one index fund in 1995. I've never looked at it since. I don't know what's in it. I don't care. It's at 2 Indian rupees crores now. This man lived through the dot-com crash, the 2008 financial crisis, the COVID crash. Every single time, the financial media said sell everything. And he just didn't. The boring choice was the right choice every time. That's when I realized, most of India's wealth wasn't built by genius investors. It was built by boring investors who didn't panic when everyone else did. By the 7th interview, I started noticing something. Every single millionaire told almost the same story, with minor variations. They all did 7 things. 1. Started young, or started late, but started. 2. Saved aggressively. Not just saved, aggressively. 3. Invested in boring, diversified stuff. 4. Didn't panic during crashes. 5. Kept their job. Didn't take crazy risks. 6. Kept their wife or partner. Divorce ends wealth faster than anything. 7. Got one lucky break. Usually a job jump or market boom timing. Now, here's the thing, luck was involved. But luck was also built. The person who saved 15,000 Indian rupees per month for 15 years was ready when the boom came. The person who sat in FDs? They missed it. Same luck, different preparation. Here's what the documentaries and the YouTube gurus don't want to tell you. Wealth isn't a hack. It's not a secret. It's not a course. It's just doing 7 normal things consistently for 15 to 25 years and staying sane while everyone around you questions your choices. But I asked them something else. I asked, what was the actual cost? Not the financial cost. The emotional cost. A pharmacist who was 58 years old and had built 1.5 Indian rupees crore told me this, my friends bought apartments. I rented for 20 years. They thought I was broke. My family thought I was broke. My girlfriend almost left me because I wouldn't take her to nice restaurants. You spend 20 years being the poor guy among your peers. That's the cost. And then at year 15, something shifts. Suddenly they're not the poor guy. They're the guy who has options. They can retire, or not. They can help their parents, or not. They can take risks, or not. That same pharmacist said, at year 15, I could finally breathe. The stress before that? Unreal. You're living on 35,000 Indian rupees when everyone says 50,000 Indian rupees is normal. The judgment is constant. Here's what the gurus never show you. Not because they're lying. Because it's uncomfortable. The real wealth building story is: be uncomfortable for 15 years, so you can be comfortable for 40 years. Most people can't do 15 years uncomfortable. They can do 5. Then they break and spend the money. That's when I realized at the end of all this, there's an invisible system in India, and it's designed to prevent you from building wealth through boring means. It's not a conspiracy. It's just how the system evolved. Every single day, you're being told, you deserve this. You should buy this. This car, this apartment, this experience, you've earned it. And you have, technically. You earned the money. But earning and keeping are different things. Banks want you taking loans. Retailers want you buying things. Your peers want you living at their level so they don't feel alone in their choices. The entire economy is built on the assumption that you'll spend what you earn. The millionaires I talked to? They just said no. Not to everything. But to enough things that they had 15,000 Indian rupees per month left over. A school teacher told me, nobody teaches you this in school. Nobody tells you that the choice to not buy is more powerful than the choice to buy. They teach you to earn. They don't teach you to keep. And that's the invisible system. It's designed to make you earn and spend, not earn and keep. So if you want to know what they actually did, step by step. Step 1, calculate your keep number. What's the bare minimum you need to live? Not comfortably, just live. If it's 35,000 Indian rupees on a 50,000 Indian rupees salary, that's your floor. Step 2, put the difference on autopilot. 15,000 Indian rupees per month goes to an SIP before you see it. You never miss what you never see. This is the key. You don't have to be disciplined every single day. You just do it once, set it, and forget it. Step 3, endure 15 years. That's the timeline. Not 5. Not 10. 15 years of friends asking why you're not buying property. 15 years of your Instagram looking boring. 15 years of people saying, "Are you okay financially?" Step 4, at year 15, reassess. If you've done this, you now have 30 Indian rupees lakhs or more in wealth. Compounding does the work from here. The rest is just staying sane. Step 5, don't panic, sell. There will be crashes. There will be times when your portfolio is down 40 or 50%. And you just wait. That patience is what separates millionaires from everyone else. Here's what I need to tell you honestly, this isn't inspirational. This is just math. Boring, unspectacular math. But it works. When I started this investigation, I thought I'd find a secret. A hack. A loophole. A special knowledge that the rich had and the poor didn't. What I found instead was simpler and harder at the same time. The millionaires just made different choices than everyone else. Not better choices. Just different. And they lived with those choices long enough for the math to work. The hardest part isn't the money. It's saying no to your friends. It's driving a car everyone thinks is beneath you. It's living like you're poor when you're not. It's staying sane while everyone around you questions if you're okay. But if you can do that for 15 years, the last 25 to 40 years of your life change completely. 1 in every 300 people in India is a millionaire. The choice to become that person isn't complicated. It's just uncomfortable. The question isn't, can I do this? It's, am I willing to feel weird for 15 years? If you have an answer, the rest is just time.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।